Hi, I'm Dr. Chaudhry, and I'd like to welcome you to our practice. We know you have lots of options when it comes to oral surgeons, and we're glad that you've chosen our practice. Let me tell you a little bit about what to expect on your first visit. You'll come in and fill out all the necessary paperwork with your medical history and dental history and so forth, and then we'll evaluate you with the x-rays that we might need. And then I'll meet with you personally, and I'll go over exactly what your needs are based on your x-rays and your clinical exam. Once we've done that, we'll have one of our treatment coordinators meet with you and give you a full written detail of exactly what I proposed. And we'll also talk to you about what your dental insurance might cover. And we have specific people in our office who try to get every single penny from your dental insurance that we can. And you'll leave with a written treatment plan in your hand at the end of that first consultation. I look forward to meeting you and seeing you in person. Thank you.